I guess re-upholstery is probably one of the most common questions I get asked when people come in. Is it worthwhile doing, or do I buy brand new? And it's a very difficult question to figure out because there's a lot of components to it. I think one of the key reasons people want to reupholster is that they're sentimental about the piece they already have. They've lived with it for a long time. It may have been their fathers or grandfathers, grandmothers. It's been passed down over generations, and they think for that reason it should be something they reupholster. With that though, I think you need to be quite diligent in what you look for and what you want to achieve out of that reupholstery of that piece. Reupholstery is when you actually take it right back down to the frame and you replace all the hessian, all the webbing, all the foams, and you build it up as though it's brand new. Recovery can be just a basic wrap the fabric over the existing fabric that's already there. It's not a very good process to do, in my opinion. You can be really putting the fabric that you put over the top at risk because there's dirt, grit and grime underneath that can work its way back up through. If you ever go into the point of getting it steam cleaned or cleaned, steam vacs can actually suck existing dirt and grime back through onto the new fabric. So it's something Carnells would never go down that path. We always do the reupholstery. Reupholstery, a lot of people consider to be a cheaper option, whereas if it's done correctly, if it's stripped down correctly, build up all the correct materials on the inside of quality, it's actually a very, very similar price to a brand new sofa. Okay, so another area that needs consideration is that when you purchase fabric to go on your sofa, that fabric is an investment and it can be some thousands of dollars, you know. And I think if you're going to invest in that fabric, which is a big investment, what's underneath supporting it needs to be top quality. If you have substandard sort of materials or grit, grime, or a lack of supporting materials in the technique of the upholstery underneath, the duration or the lifespan of that fabric lasting is a lot shorter. I would recommend reupholstery in a number of different circumstances. If the piece of furniture is the right size, the right shape, it works really well in the room, it's comfortable, and it also has the quality components underneath, by all means I think we should do the reupholstery on that piece. If you have a unique design in your piece of furniture, it's something that's hard to copy or emulate, I think it's also worthwhile, and quite often you see this is the case with a lot of Art Deco furniture that may have show wood polished trims or mirrors or some real intricate pieces with the upholstery. I think then we also do reupholstery as well.